Sasha, Becca say, Yami, and our mamma one day now, which me spread says, But second, in the Metzma can say hard work and determination because before say season every year, the bag gonna make or me number no aim be or number semi achieve. And I think due to the aim me achievement number semi achieve, and now mommy working very hard.
Sompa sports.
Maybe tell me say send to me and do baby and I say send to me improving the style of play and I say the goal scoring and I assist. And then I met me I say a secret which is hard work and determination and I bought me and
Atia no ye command your pomo de etimi ede ema ya ni nyina mo no ebo amane makoye peraman after no ye bisa no said the Black Stars of Ghana call up no anya bi de na proud to see a Kwakwakobo World Cup you friend match ye bo ye ne Brazil and afi ni Nicaragua man no ebeboa di unkomo akra za ne ma de dame o se match you no mo ko a omo komu sei
so far no ya bo some games be that so we have the players already so for me and I think say these two games now a game for the national team. Apart from game we are need game we have been before say a World Cup. So I think say these two games have to be taken seriously. Say anybody who is going to be called will give his best because then at the end these are the say 80% of the team are national team World Cup now. Because after these two games, this is the preparation game. After say we have pre-season, over one game and now two games. Now they are starting first league. So I think for me, it's a very good opportunity and a good game for preparation towards the World Cup as well.
Atia no ye komo bomo de fa ye game ana games a ye kwakobo de ni bosumi ya so weke ya niama de on the 23rd ye ne Brazil bebo 27th ne je na so eni Nicaragua man no etimi e de abo eni no ye September bosumi ya ye hwe na ye resisi results of the World Cup no September, October, November na fi jadam ni abwa kwakura mu December na ya hwese niama isiete ye fio ne mbra amaberi nkomo the Ghana Premier League no hye no so senche na dwumade ne hyase ne remo referee ro maso referees manager a prefer finalist court ene no na edi nkomo na gazo pen yanete se muhia didi mo nkomo text outdoor na so no etimi ewrama na eboama ntoto na koye na ne games ne ba be hyase no referees ba be jam no beti oyo wa ya referee wa ye we na muni omo didi nkomo mo ba no ejuma no so omo ba be ni pa na aboama ne makoye di amaye
part of your caution to them, as part of your advice to them. The country said this time, this issue of 4-match ban, 6-match ban, Mbasubium. Say, who said who could take the decision, Bina and thought it is not backed by the law. It is an outright dismissal. That is what we have told them. And on the basis of that, the kid said they will go out and go and do their best. I mean, they are human beings. Your country say, who genuine errors are, you better be support as refereeing now. We will do that. But say who said decisions be deliberate there, then for that one we cannot come out and come and support you. But that is why we have told them. It's on the basis of that, they will all go and they will go out and do their best.
Atia no ye komo bomo de etimiari tu dwa chesa afi no de omo ye no ene sesebze bi obu kokko ya de bi na wa hyeda wo hu se ade we am ye enye eno no ne amane 4 matches no wakwasa about the star run no de eno no betimi defend no ye nipa betimi enfonso ro mbe no mata echi na mom no ekokko ese wa hyeda na wo ye sa ade we ya eyefia na abekọ matches no amoma mama medibiem ti omo ne omo hye no amo kasa na eka opanyi okaza de mu ade zani abani se de na nya gro no mba be de omba be ginama a ejuma no be ne French man na no so obese edu bebi a Ghana for ya na ye sencho for ne nya ntobase kakra expectation e be ya ye ntoso kakra na nipa de nipa mfonso betimi aba.
I think football, a lot of us here, the passion, football, just a game. It is to bring people together. Say, the interqua echo share footballer, and I didn't echo football man. Now, and it's not proper. That is not the essence of refereeing. And I say football. Yes, and we will continue to engage, we will continue to educate.
Atia no si ansama bomo de etimiari tu yaran pen ya tese azema so no wa beti o referee match we wo so ko was a way a man acquiring in answer will be so we am a godfather, we am a godfather. And you don't want the Aquanian in them say matches out on ano, Menya Quinanama Quaku James and Comono, that one casa what it be now, Yana Bisa Coswana.
This is your performance. Your performance in the Bema also. It is not about Godfather. So Godfather helps you back now. Performance in your service. I don't believe in that. It is your performance. So Godfather no matter you must also work and make sure you are coming to stay wherever you have come. So that's the main thing.
Until no young command referee paying pie a final escorte upon my dear Timera to get you on your Godfather Simbia ho. Yazobana Modemono Ewoshua. Obako enim ewo frema yebe US in China from moi amani apreso mo ebridge mano aboama nema koye pere amone urwani chemo dance park ho ena game ba kutimi ekoso bebia ni Gold Stars ebo mo de echi Serial Stars bo meka mi no ema mutimu ba ko Charles Kamara enya go ni bi na afi no Steven Owusukechi ebo mo de bi etimi eka after the game no en command do na timi koso CEO edema bebia ni Gold Stars akwesi edu erebisa no so re sere nema esi eko eni de rama season we na nkasa no position man na expect se tima ye from bibia ni Gold Stars ebe to na aboa amane makuyera momon komo se no di erefa
review managing our away results so that the team can get a meaningful or a better position. I believe if you place ninth as a debutant, you should be able to go up. I'm predicting we can be placing between first to sixth. We will review.
Etia no yan komo bo mo de tu dwa cheso hwe zaniema de da diamo beto so be se nsia o bebi na aboa amane makuyera ma no pe league ne je no yenimza kotoko ha so mo maka no na mo nso no mo be pese de bi league no mo betimi age ana.
It is possible, but it depends on the actions of the players. I can speak about that when we play our first 5 matches, but I think placing first to sixth is something achievable.
Etia no yan komo bo mo de etimi edi etu dwa chese no ebe depending players no ntimi kan wansem sesi a agezi abobe se 5 matches ewie na ogiri ze ebe timi esidie na momre den pa na after no na coach e friend Michael say coach su ye twebe no ye bisa na say pre-season yankasa bi ne coach no se na nema no esi etiere ma utim no.
Oh, I think that we have got a very good pre-season. The boys have worked very, very good, very, very hard, very, very tough. We are all happy about the pre-season, like with the technical team now. We saw how the boys worked, and then we are hoping to be reflected in the coming games now. So far, no, they have been a very disciplined, both on the pitch and then off the pitch. They were very disciplined, tactically, technically. I mean. The matches that we have played during the pre-season, we were very organized on the pitch. We were very organized. We were able to control the games. I mean, it was very like I said, it was very, very good pre-season that we hopefully say be reflecting in our games tonight.
Atia no ya command ne coach e Fred Michael say coach Mickey eni yetimi eka say pre-season no ma yejuma or else be reflect e wo mo match so mbebo no mu bia no nyambo Sunday against Dreams FC na after no ye santo aso ebisa no say season we na nkasa no bibia ni Gold Stars bi na head coach no mo target ankasa sene no so esiete.
We were last season as a debutant in the game. Then we were able to play 9th position. We hope, and then we have to work very hard. Our target will come through. We are competing at the top. You know, we are going to work very hard. We are going to work extra mile. Your target to be move from 9th position last season. We compete on the top one. That's our target. You know, we are going to work very hard, very disciplined, and then determination. Everything season, you bet me a successful one like last season. Because last season we don't have the experience. We were having a lot of inexperience in the playing body. But right now, most tasty last season Premier. It's another experience, man. I believe you will do better than the last season.
Until no ya command is no bomb de etimi refan after no na captain Feni Yakubu Hak. Na Hak and so na ye bisa na se capito pre-season no e chance yo ni team ya nana motu ana mo akwa asia baba be ramo bia ni no pre-season no say na Hak so bomb de di ni nkomo no.
From the start of the pre-season, I resume on the 20th by the baby being a move called Elmina. And the bedroom commander the baby being back. Technical team and playing body, you might any day. To make me understanding positive. For the first time, I don't. My Susukra said, I'm between my happy this or the ones how much my mama moves a step ahead, and that means almost here improvement. Which I am sure you might acquire. You who say they are positive.
Etiano yan comment also no obomodi etimeri to yati captain and ma bibiani Gold Stars Yakubu Hak. And I say ne obomodi din in common after no. Ye bisa no say target no this season no dey na ehwe animu MFF team no.
Sometimes football no ntimi nkyere any room dey bet. To yen dey team say last season dey 9 for this season they say go ahead. Which are to ejuma ye hope and praise any swadi hunu ne nsabeka.
Etiano yan command wani chemo bibiani Gold Stars ene yakwa kodi yanka se central ne friend Martino ene timi Ramo Dance Park koko ese ejuma no etimi ede ebre ya abo amane madaye pa etimi ede amount ye no eyen komo akra biani Gold Stars e Rama ne ye ere Ramana etutu na daye pre etimi Ramanti akomi amohwe na yemra na yehwe na afisem no yendidi di on komo baba ma na mboa na ne manko ye pa enfamanti still afi no adjoin ya Sompa 93.1 and of course o join here ewo na chese ne Facebook wa Sompa 93.1 on Saturday so our like wa share wa comment na aboa bibi adaditi on a shootout no ere guso ayedidi di koma eboa man tutu ene da ye pa etimi ede ema Messiah say bibi a share ye de
abudia bibi a share ye ahwe ye ni experience nyame adum bibi a share ye
Messiah
oh abu ewe wan kasa kra ama me hoye ewe wan kasa ama me hoye pa
Messiah
abudia bi
Messiah for me room
yes and I highlight Nioma Bakumienu be about baby any Gold Stars. So say Kwasiedu etu one am also so echo the same thing. But the subject of discussion they be surrounding around ene anope asema na can about promoting the Ghana Premier League and making sure say stadium amanfo betima babehwe games ni all of these things. Abu very important say if the FA take a responsibility upon themselves say ombetimi artist kabi dia to baby e make sure some betimi dia boa ama manfo atimi ate GP onenka aba stadium ama na ya akono a omudi se fata se wosan komo yesale be hu dwumadie no na mehwe so ombedi anase bi omonteno mo office so enkom 9 to so abro mo nyehwe emfa moa Ghana Premier League promotions up to now the fever is not even around and Abudia be a hit we a game this is what we believe in Ghana Premier League na aboa ama yebusua na ye nuanum bi enya akonya etimi akwa ama no ne kosi akan eno na aboa ama ye nuanum bi a ye nimom no enya akonya ebo national team eno na aboa ama ye maame mu a ebi eduru match day Sunday bi a otimi ko stadium ko ton ade kakra na oton a watimi enya bibi kakra de ayedai e de abafie ene so obi ka se on stadium ana se amanfo am patronize GPL games na Abudia bi ana affected the brand of the competition alone affected the economy ankasa because Obiba Stadium na nipa 2 pene ba ya de na so aba ni na ayekwa ana say ya de a entimin change within 3 days or 4 days ubo say akwakọ ebibi ho na akwakọ say because ekwa stadium a you say people bring along bananas abu so bi the banana no wentimi anton ni nyina nwie sa Sunday na imagine so okoto on Saturday o wentimi anton ni nyina nwie Sunday na say dipa ama meto a acha 2 days 3 days obetena akwa bia dodo na akwa kose na kana yeden eba baba so chire ni nam bebre na baba de begua baba de so betimi bia akose fridge mu but car na ofai de ba ye no any bidi a okoto ye o de betoton ya amanto any de car ye no baba be ye ne dai ni nyina factors and Abudia bi e wo se ye hwem na yetimi boa ema amanfo dodo na eko stadium na omukohwe ye games ye besere se so support o club a make sure say at least ade abetimi dia boa na ye so beko stadium no akwakohwe games this time around FND nkomo no mo se they are even introducing Monday night football and Friday night football omo akasa be take care of the football which means Monday na ye Thursday no and a day na very packed that ebi afise pressure was so then you can go and release stress a 6 p.m. game by 8:30 you are done you go home no akwaje wa home under nice weather obetimi enjoy Ghana Premier League and ala Friday no so no pon obetimi so akwa enjoy games before you even go home and last season what here Monday night football, her Friday night football, Abu Dhabi. You won't the games, you know, and you definitely enjoy it. But the FA will need to improve upon the publicity of the Ghana Premier League. And also, mutimi to turn your bebre, Ebwa, Emma attention, Netimi Baso. As ya can't there is no fever in and around the Ghana Premier League. Yeah, the Abe Juma in Central 4. Supporters in Tinia, your listeners in Tinia, Abu Dhabi in Tiaba. If you are supposed to tell them, we'll do our part, we'll do anything we are supposed to do. Eh, be boama GP on a man for Ababe Yede. Ababe, na mo dagu kensi na no nankasa na mo yede. $1 million na makwa kwaje da honum ne. Enye ska mo kosum no. Enye ska mo kosum no. And nobody is forcing you say by force into the trenches, but make an effort. Make an effort. Study the terrain. And the media ben ye use be boya man for team abe games. Kwan ben ye first man for betim abe games or stadium. Dear ye man for be patronize games ahwe ni ye na. These are issues. Okon kran why na dey bibi kwa na no pan Michael was saying it. Say ube kumase also di we kwesi we se so hu we. Okwa akra also di si we se so hu we. Wo di sisi ni nyina. They are going to do a massive job already no more yo. But the moment there is that particular kind of stuff, there is a level of motivation too. And Abu Dhabi ni ama be left say be na nipa ne ye be 85% the amawa. When you be count be ko be 15 account na be 100. Na fi de also ye boa e ma Ghana Premier League ne fa no to ma pefra no. Na timi afefra. Atimi afefra na Abu ade we die. Any league ni FIFA na ne nam ho yi die. Ya ye be je de aboy ho so. Omo pon mo ntena so wo ho. Na de omo pese omo diska ne ye na eje so mara. Omo antena ska no so na de omo pese omo wan no. Edis can ye no mu de kom botom no abrabo ankasa na Abu Dhabi bibia kobia na so sign ho ba. So if you feel say ubu obi and if you feel say you are thinking say ade na why you are not going to do a ho adwuma Bible kura ntwanto so adwuma eni fata na katwa enti say office obi be ye adwuma we nyina ma na wo te ba bi na relax no aka na to so now u be yes anu man dia e ba ko wi ase you definitely have the pain for yourself. And obi anu a all pam cho so say first ka be bre obi ana first ka be by make an effort. Nobody is begging anybody from the FA to bring him more money. And my Godfather here, Apostle no be say Apostle be say me. No. You wouldn't try. You wouldn't try. But just make an effort for us. Now obi anu say yes, you are making an effort. Say the be obi abetimi a support o aboa. I'm a Ghana Premier League na koso. They are not helping us. Abu the FA is not helping us at all. And if you look at the whole fever around it, down, low. I know a lot of people don't even know say Ghana Premier League is starting weekend week.
Oh, they be do one.
Nipa do one. Maybe I'm going here and I'm Twitter so near go go say Prosper Arsenal squad. What the picture be at war, na video be aba, near who video be nam let's cherish our own. This is our own. We don't even know when it is starting. And clubs now should also play a massive role in how they do it. There is nothing like open media day, Crampo. Yeah, but starting Premier League, there is nothing like open media day. Iti kumase sante kotoko. Players are signing your money na hwan enim no. Into obi stadium hwan ti no oba. Accounts for players are signing your money na hwan enim. Hwan enim. Into obi stadium hwan ti no oba. And then you say be kin faisala. Players do a sign na ye nuanu mo mo zabu zongo honum nyina hwan no munim. Do say no munim. Itu mba be game na wo mo hwan ti no mo ba. I think we all have a role to play. FA is failing us. Our clubs are failing us. Even ye media no crampo, we have a part to play in it because sometimes we overdo things. Ye media na nkasa no kra ye kan ubi. And a GP on ye ntimi promoting ye kan ubi. Because sometimes we have our personal interest. I won't take us up. We take it out. Obi anya na dwuma ye. And we need a what's here tina se near dream when ye dwuma ye. As a media supporter, that's his job as a fan, and as a supporter, FA, you do your job as an FA, then clubs, you do your job as a club in order to promote Ghana Premier League. And yes, Abu, ebe try and now, even the face is Kwampo Edebo Premier League, no. Now, I'm messed at the EPL, so you could see that Obi no akofa Mo Salah de naba. No be akofa Harry Kane de naba. No be akofa Ronaldo de naba. Obi among the faces of each and every club. The faces of each and every club as a stance on the digital media. How have you even been able say you're profiling or Mukrampo? You are profiling the key players. You're profiling or to whet the appetite.
Tell like 18 teams in no biard
the key player. Yeah, you can't whet the appetite.
Player with you.
Play with you. The quality no was so. Yeah, you saw even key players Krampo. Jesse numbers as a countdown. iconic jersey. When I say iconic jersey number 20 for Ghana Premier League. When I say iconic jersey number 5 for Ghana Premier League. 5 days more. Now the iconic panel says iconic jersey number 5. No.
But I think they're not there. Maybe become Chelsea for us.
Yes.
I'm on social media and on about so. Ever Kabe say 15 days I'm gonna do on or what DBA.
You see, so as a club, I'm more try. They are doing their best to also help promote the Ghana Premier League. What to them? But what you muska was all your home.
Oh, and they no cry.
What to them? What you muska? Scano yan farm mouse and I want Tian to one say before frontier. Apostle Becca Jose, Nipa de Otivia my 1 year one them out no a. What is can say the Abu, that is the question. You hear explanation be as and the scan the question ha and the scan what is can say what the day. Also the promotions of the Ghana Premier League and the marketing. Yenim se kwa bebre so be fa so marketing promote. But me ehunu. What's a bibia quiet dormant? We don't even know. And nama sentence na man phone call. And also play a major factor. I know papa bi betina hanum ya many apostle ye na apostle CBT papa yasem. Man no be o twi articulate akokwa. No timi ko packing articulate akoye kotoko training. But say on won ko bi.
O say zia do.
Oh, there. Osene de ane so background betra security radio say kotoko. I see kotoko ahye no an hu ya no. But there needs to be an extra intrinsic motivation be we say team pushing the man kase. Whether say born metie no radio, metie no TV. Meko stadium. Edrume bi ni on comfort baba sports stadium mo hwebo no stadium so na Wallace. Yen kan radio na Wallace. Etare na so. No asasu tie comment through because obeso tie se commentator na sem na kan no. And I go no kra. And I go bi also e ba ni je na de beba nti ohun kwan fa so ye den. E say nti obetie how commentator ne be describe kwa go ni fa so bai. Last season match compare twa me room kwa ya crowd folk ne me de ma. Category B match. The stadium was literally empty. Stadium was literally empty. Abu ye nyina ye ka ho. Me nyi fan show bia. Me nyi fan share clubs. Me nyi fan share F nko a. Media no ye so ye ka ho bi. Abu emre na duru se wo se nyina ye share sapo muso mu ye. Enye about obi ene nko fambra na be ye. This is our own. This is our own game. Ye nyi greediness ne pettiness ne those things ne fanto nchen. Promote the league. Ejina onua bi be pie, onua bi be sore. Obeso onua bi nsana de nakọ. Ye fa no so a oboba akomienu ni me se betima platform ama no e be pija no. It let's all play our roles in making sure say GP on amanfo e be hu.
Mate akomia me da se pa aboso. Aboso.
Me da se. Now Bibiani Go Stars omo they are doing well. Me share pitch na CEO no general so say nyezi.
Da so pa.
Omo da so o possible pa na especially bantenten no ho na ojina opia ba ko defender wo kokra o de tunachi and your map pass be na odwane behind the defender na o nice som na o first touch ya urade atrabeti bi akasa
why nipa no adwuma ka
wa wie no kra no e chese wo abedwuma
yeah
so I hope say players don't investment when you know I hope say players no be making sure say on be pay back the investment. Very important because when you a good pitcher, a quality football, and my players no that near my war mumu almost done a ye. But so when you pitcher and say that your papa was a pitcher as make pitching on also that's so come. But I think before out of the game no, all of them I saw almost slash almost trimming about fem kakra.
Yeah.
And yes sir, a be my ball movement no or pass baller because grass no a door sunti a be my Emma speed pass no and corner the way I open no. I bet me a trim born a be kakra. I'm a born they be another born a be siwechi. So they should work on that. It's very, very important. Way ahead of almost game in terms of slash number born no and moving very fast. Omonia coach was a very good experience. I mean, Michael says sometimes I say mintia, but ball our ball from Mainz 05 to Frankfurt, from Kotoko. I mean, he's seen it all. Bob Blackstar. And Abukaziza, he was playing in the midfield.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's honestly Abora. What do I say? Aha. Bukaziza, Yeni Nigeria, Morocco. I mean, but unfortunately, to Vista by no, and I said, your coach behind the way. So, Makolose has been a phenomenal player. As a player, or Danfin, if you want to trust me, one of the finest passers of the ball, very intelligent, creative, wide. Or Peja Anonza is a Kwachi, right. left one say only Ramano on say come on Bono Dao. Now Thomas Boachi Zion train a switch here about right na Kwachi ewo Joe Debra anymore. Maza Omuchiwa Kobisazo Foga FA Kappa. So he's seen it. I mean he's a very was a coach our ball 1989 under 20 now. Shamokwina Blood Kuma Algeria for we are hon we show mutuam ko gwe 3 hon yeah he was part of it, key member. So he's seen it, he's gone through that rank. And I will do and don't forget any playmate your jogging club at Mainz. So I mean he's been there. We call Germany for a lot of courses. Yeah. And so Omunya Botremano, sometimes football, look, what me investment in and Liverpool no Muji 4-1 name. And Chelsea Jigui, Dynamo Zagreb, Bagana, there's a Bechemu. What is it? And then Bechemu Chelsea London. So those things will happen. But Omunya Botremano is a good coach. Now on your more players don't fancy more normal supporting coach, you know. Because if you have a coach like this, on hardring or already is Opejuma, the near Bray or Chiren Koladia, sometimes over a period of time, far for a long time to come, no, Mobanya home as well. So I think now, referee manager Alice Quote, or see on punish referees, you know, referees are more shed that say, or more the result no be sure butume from fee abba. Mimaka that it's not enough. I want to see a situation where you be a league of referees. You be referees points based on performance. First round no until match bia no you review an amount of points, and they be say you mark over 10. Referee be obenya 8 bia no you be 5 points. And it say you check league points. O win here over 3 points. Over draw 1 point. Referees at the end of the first round, referees are omomodi bobe ko enim no. Second round, no, those are the referees that we are going to use. ABR some few referees almost terminate the account. Referees omomodi bo ankon kan nyina ye yom efrim. Now ye yom efrim no so referees are ye hu so omomodi bo no kon kan ye a omanya 8/10 no first round no. Se sia no se referees ni nyina ye ma obe 100 Ghana. Se si ano ye be more 300 Ghana because of Modibo so any first round. Ya rank no enti ye si ano ye bo wa baso
because of so Modibo so any first round.
Now second round no ye di call ABR se si ano unya 10/10 and why idea. Enti at the end of the season no second round no ye be san hwe. Omo Modibo so any pa no ye ranki top 5. Na mo ma chede kese. When we do that, referees no one. Uye there nipa bibini. Uye there ebibe owa obu ye greedy. Omu ye pese mekuminya sika pe. Ene sika ni bre wo mo ni sunti. Sa referees nipa nkwaro benya bi mu still obeye
di efata bia so mo de obeye.
But yes ana your referees be on the bota ne say obeka kodi CAF Champions League. Obedi Confederation Cup, obedi AFCON. Any World Cup. Now, say, Oma referee, aside bonus packages, we know. Oma Mosanti say, referee will be toppy at the end of the season. What will be your points do at the end of the season? If you bet your car, and now if you best be more land, or baby come, and a 2-bedroom apartment, trust me. Opa, G10,000, 20,000, and Sumbunche we. Say, if you, I don't see a ball referee, a basso say. I feel we referee and the Modibo so in the pano ya chenu 2-bedroom apartment and then I'm on the car. Secondly, referee ya beka say wo wanya kwenya se kafu kra foul se bedi match because of Modibo league no ya be more $2,000 ya di cho. So wo abedi FIFA qualifier kra ya di ko $3,000. Na unya kwenya kodi CAF Champions League semi-final final $4,000. Uko CAF AFCON now could be $5,000. Now what you are doing is that what my referees who say Sebi se ano send Modibo konkan na otiminya kwenya eko Saturn don't forget Saturn me no kwenya na the Moscow.
Yeah.
Yes sir bo abaso what the bo abaso your best referee in Ghana ya ma 2-bedroom apartment and ya ma car. Enu echi no unya call up to performance na CAF san tiwa oko yebe mosika ha yebe some I'm telling you over a period of time okay kabuma a far higher and better prestigious chain bribe lodging. So these are the schemes if FA wants your referees to live up to expectation a bit demotivate you more from Sikefia be a mic abema me 10,000 me share say at the end of the season many 2-bedroom apartment you be see am a place of my choice any of us can show them you person nya dance die enti ya na be ya ba was a choose baby na ya ma aha na anaya ma oka na onim so enamane so benya CAF appointment because of performance no kama omo ma na console o ya dia ye be ma osika e be break kwan ma na wasan ko wenim to other CAF bigger company like African Cup of Nations so ya oba women AFCON enye me ma no kwa man me man I'm telling you say e be do baby no unya motivated to even take the bribe because all ko AFCON na e be ma be say 5,000 na yesu yes because of money boy sand e be at $3,000 or $4,000 there can one more. You know how much we are talking about? So if I say $9,000,
yeah.
Aside that, no, so money bono be kwama. See, wabeka ubo money na kwa CAF elite referees like ni Papa Gasama mo. Yeah, no do baby. Ana new alimu. Yeah, Otobo Castemu. Yeah, omo do baby, omo do. Sisia. Ene, she bamlak tesema. Ethiopian referee di kotokoni hilalo hano. Onze odi match onze nukre. Onimajuma pa. Uyesa wankasa ubenya basobode kese as referee. Obedi Ghana Premier League match. So retire kra. Wankasa ube kai se me modern bo enema me nya dan we. Enema me call CAF. Enema me call FIFA. So for me, I believe that say your punishment is not enough. Then putting in the mechanism yes sir. So your referee not him so be a Michael. You who's your referee. Now you first round. Umodibo kana points on your endorse na you are. Wow be ferry. Ghana phone nyina be so wo nya de. Na ya publishing list no. What they say na the match is not tattoo. Na yi ha obon awabon. Thank you. Naturally the next season person make you say ma akwanya bioma. Person make sure say would there this number right or wrong so. And Tiabema club owners no crowd motivated enough. Say to your bribe.
Yeah. Already you show funumu man ti o crowd ba be fair.
Ebema your matches on Krofako. One of the reasons Krofako your matches say be matches no work out to the referee there. Either say wa bon ti o debit and credit. Ana say wa kwaji kakra. And to say ye ba match say be o say results no ye nim ne be si dada say omba enye motivated. What do you say? And reduce it to trust them so be brave on him say cause your referees na riba.
Yeah.
And to our security issue, Emma ban bon who me de ma omo bomba say no crab confirm. Yes say near crab confirm. And if your referee modern ball pet she near resolve because referee no we did no correct or your mistake right genuine mistake be a cause game no be brave. So they say. And the referees are almost highly critical to your game no because afibia match be a referees modern ball comes under scrutiny and a critique problem be brave. And so I think that as a referees manager, Nema way more than so or no only president of the Evening General Secretary. No more share kwan be fast or me share say free baby. Says can me boy kra more do they almost share say free baby. What they say over a period of time, you benya a generation of referees way more yes no omo mo ba no so sua to anamopa ba be do baby no you benya Ghanaian referee or the CAF Champions League final. Because look, but for Joseph Lamte to meet the Esperance, any Ali, semi-finals. That's how big, and he was an elite referee. Joseph Lamte, elite referee, na Papa Gasama elite.
Yeah.
Na Nyont Ali ni elite. So enyesa sebe yenye bida.
Yenye bida.
Yebe timi aye. Ba ni nyina aye. Sebe anamoto ene share.
Mate. Michael. Apostle Mate. Migi.
Yeah, Abu.
Yanko minimiza no pano she juma biase ana ye didi dia honkoma.
Well, nti na make about the media committee ayebete yebehwe se yebetimi a promote ana yebeboy league ne ho de Roma ko akire because se ebegina e media no. Se league no ebegina e media no. Media no play a pivotal role media no cry na betnet ne clubs ne kakra. A fan of how they also go about their promotions and communications, because media ne a specialty. Oh, what the and when himself we na ye in fasobe free media ba. So any say FA no only media nintemu wa anka ne ba be Premier League say ochine. Anka FA ni media no create share crowd da cry here. Seminar be and a forum be on how the media can play a part to promote the Ghana Premier League. But engage that thing should be done. And if you be akoma ye penny wom, to say an opameka no, ye wom penny for or moda ye media industry nano. Penny in the theatre, ye was swag. Swag ni penny for or more various regional bodies. Even aside that, swag ni will deal with the sports writing. Into sports writers, how they will write about the Ghana Premier League on or more respective website and now say in the dailies newspapers in the world. So inti say or more try how or more try no so be koto newspaper no working kind say graphic sports or kanya or who article be on the Ghana Premier League. It should be more promotional than destructive. Also bit me here article be na so or the say or crowd expose sin to a game nim and no doors to sing the audible but when it be sa akoswa I hope so you get it now atrono ebe geared towards kwan omo fa so the positives in our league because ye po papa bekoso bone bekoso but ye ne de no dodo na no aya na bone ne ne ebo hu de ro so kwan ben so ne ye tra ye twe adwen de si papa na ekoso no na no so na nipa na odisika be league nim no more na okenkan no kra ye na wo aho a and then are you proud of it into obetimi kra that oh me way back me sponsor here ya true article way about them dachi be they can even reference it say omo be share Ghana Premier League nim no mo hwe the kind of improvement our league nim ni say so writing if you were traditional media you were godfathers of radio in almost every region in Ghana because to me in kase Kwame Sefakai otini Peace FM no sebe ye can radio abako semni radio momo ma be ya the power mo on kan bi so na sports no the same applies to your sports na no so in sports radio ye wo mo so a they have been trailblazers omo no matwa sane de ato a ebi mo so di ekire engage them then almost be engage or more maseno no more maseno so engage or more maseno so it will trickle down to almost every nook and cranny baby beer was a radio no you can't spot every beer or be there.
Okay, I mean my very good brother and friend Kwame Sefakai organizer me or has supposed to look or no has we near or bar radio like he's saying you can even engage someone Captain Spider Kotoko. Yeah, on my has to. So you can even create that even among some of the morning shows among per football like Michael Lekano. We are associated with the clubs already.
Yes, engage them, make them Premier League ambassadors. Into a new name so that brand we are no betnasia and como say no OD. Into Easter Sanka Kwame Sefakai be any fade and wakas Ghana referees near corrupt or mugu game no. Sa send me no obekano crano. And to me send your man be now obekas you see a league no a moye do a cost to say ya enough an endorsement. Make us a command Kwame Sefakai
canon say your air be on. Say Adibibana say bonea. Ne kano ejijin kofo sumu e yo mo de
simple
there's ade ne ye pa
and nipa ne so work no so count
no crapa wiki
let us find ways make us come Kwame Sefakai iska
but
officially approach them and engage them
mo mu huzo mo no be
ko nchenye o mu ndi nkomo
mbu o mu hu mo
into we sa circles ni we a na waba football na nkasa mu Mr. Izzo Eden enye bed power onya nyumtuni
okofo bebre su di na
so if we see the need to bring musicians entertainers into our game why don't we involve industry players in our game as well because the media is a stakeholder media no a stakeholder say koyi a okrem obenya bibie frem and koyi so e be affect no so engage the media as well engage media no fast one ba ne omunyina ya che ne yafa free wa and there were era of digital media social media content cost anyway and can they ever legacy now get me detail how many players will be playing in the Ghana Premier League clubs or mobile bebo obiani ni nickname perhaps a clubs ni kren to me nya if in year in this small way why ye profiling kakrebi no their better website or their better FNA Twitter account your Ghana Premier League official account into their tour or more photos or more videos into who say a creative base be. And unlike any individual media houses are penetrating the various clubs near difficult because offer now puswa mostly it would depend on relationship on a club no.
But Miki say issue no. About to that ebe na address no wa. E bi say house na kotoko. Oh na nya Ghana nka menim say team wo okro musi onu wo din che omo mu key player no.
We say
Miki say na reho pa.
The culture of your football no e be take time and sana aside any free system because unlike Abrochina opese bia de compare no. Abrochino player no or managing no or handle no. Obi is a Ronaldo was following with social media saying Chelsea.
Yeah.
Saying Liverpool.
Yeah.
Adentia because he has been managed as a brand. Bahani yanhwe your players ne kra pese ye pion no mo ye popular no. Are they ready to handle that popularity?
And we are number one.
And not the pressure and no
I don't know about contact a club like say bia season ba be shasi yenim say ye den apostle matches be also didi di won komo
exactly
but obo nzo be contact club na bia amo PR uzo mo tete ne ma bi
amo person kasa
yeah be kasa na ye pete bi uzo okro mutimi kasa even kro mo line up kra na no omo post to am no omo so omo de to omo ye omo do
exactly and it depends so we are making progress so you're making progress but ni na no how many was omo hwe ma bibi said to me baso the league organizer.
Yeah, more organizer.
Which is the GFA.
Yeah.
So the GFA and the clubs, you know, emi omebu anyan show. Ebi kro onim ontiase. Onim mfaso obenya de afrim. So what check club ni mo man who say player now. E was so done the obo who the Roma man 14 in Kano. You what the value ebeka player no. Because the more popular player is, and in the following or no, and the club to be beka player ne who sound so back club club na nkasa so. Sanso ni be top player na. Yehwe baby otimi pejedu now when you are confident as a player abu eboa
no cre
now the more confident you become no it depends on how conversant are you with media and the communication ho nyoma your players ni bebre omoko abrochi na se ball no muntimi mbo but they struggle to fit in once abrochi no they expressive akora tell say biewa no kasa bibi ye ha no ye kan ya no atom and yes, found Safa show them film. That is the end year no. So your players in the Kohosana, be home they are not able to express it into a quitty armor.
I'm one thing I make your mama and just had and say your teams in kitten. And they say no musia dibia, a beboapa. One year, I always say so musi run.
Oh, before Sobeko, young Cosamates, go stars.
And then we know we now, Moody Cretia when Cassia Pow, yes, and our bomb pay.
I didn't hear.
Yeah, Baba heard the name.
I'm in that club now.
And also can be Mickey.
I hope so. And kakra. But the main person in Jinasono, I did bakuti 3 wire the town league. Abu a data and statistics.
Yeah.
Premier Leagues, La Liga, anyway, na edeno. Because your baby, no. Yes, Richarlison and Roche go. On Wabe Brazil near Tosso 39. Wash go. I won the debut or Champions League. And would there. What is the same way about the rule? Why can't we get same for at least? Kodoko, any other clubs or more, or moving came to Sano. Kodoko ni instat. Your other clubs or more rolling on board instat. Then they see a GFA ne kwa se sikaba. League na kasa owono. O there's a one trace can more be so on cover for data and statistics. What stops you from entering into a strategic partnership? Say be a instat, say be a sports radar, say be a way this a year FB ref and access a start bump. Ye person mo be cover Ghana Premier League statistics ni data na de maye. Enti mo de every cent bia monko se obi ma pass saying se we ye saying se odi be use AI ni artificial intelligence and any robot no mo calculate no and the camera na ye adwuma and as obi use a man for so mo so betina se atali yellow cards ni ade no. Why don't we get that in our game?
Biggie Mate, ma men kofa afre for me nim so ochina.
Enti $1 million na bu who adwuma wo hopa e wo se mpanifo hwe no mo ye
no mo de so ye ni
so we invest $1 million in nda in the next 5 years you bet me $10 million
Mate
no mo di ni na so de a
e be bresa minim so ochina your surprises be the bro na minim said 9:30 to 12 full time no so no chena habe de pa uze de odi ade asem ene nya transfer so ni rura me be rura mu bibia but the Ghana Premier League afino season 2022-2023 Bet Power Ghana Premier League hon common ho niam nyina no live commentary no Ricardo Vaz Nasia ojibi wa ha na wajibi wa ti from the one they call toko matches na to folk matches Africa bibia no so mo kokobo we no we hia krebe ko akwa live commentary na bro ti mame kona me fa for ne kakra na ye hwani pg mu na fi na minimum bra e mame to as 0548 931 0548 931 0551 931 931 me hwena me fo bi wa na e ko me pa cho dia ne bebi a wo kasafi yaza Chama Bajo Mitio.
But my father, I'm born on Yagopon and some you. Now, Kaka Meka, this is a regional ever started. This time, advice you will be on what they mind, your place on the follow fees no more idea you. And this must yes, for it is a game to say. This time, born Mummy and Chelsea, and you be a few areas for the year. Now we have some more, now we have some so near to. There is a new season. They have a full league enough a year. I'm a young.
Oh, mame phobia wa me pacho dia ne baby a wo kasafi.
Champion Abu Dhabi.
Yes, I meet you.
We are out this year at this boku PhD Econas Kupi, Kasha Zilla, our Tabuka place and the master. Obenga here ube play as from the show. One stone Babylon shop, police speakers next anymore. And a boy seeing the first show who will take some passports. Omuchi and Navy, Omuchi and Abita for. Obenga here, me come and long. Already Aduma, and that's what I have to focus that plano. And then I start no, and Yamas Ketwa. And the Empire Bonnie, the best and 5:30 in the chief. Then we have a boy Aduma, and that's what I did to a big queen. Because we have to put out to Fokwa, and the other for you, Penny, and the Yaka Empire, then you can give it to whatever form you started to that.
Whatever so made us, me pacho Diani baby au kasefi. Hello. Eza, Diani baby au kasefi.
Imano ko kubimpo niyo.
Impo o kasefi.
Yina da funi na sam yo Asokwa Junction. Ya boy hwanu ti program no pa.
Pacho ye ti.
Jama wa ha so na akra no so ha. Na ade ba ko ya pa e keziku to ma tuka ya pam no ya papa. Nti e be se manu du go ma mon fre na mon kanje person penny for the semo ye show ma we dey wo mon twensan so mon kopa coach na we dey ye show ma
Te me da se pa no so dia de ba be ramo ye chia mo pa se mo bo mo dia nei mo de to tino drivers na wo ho no ye chia mo pa nyame hia mo na mo nkoso ana ye nkambo mo mbo ejuma na sa me pa cho dia ne baby a wo kasafi.
Good afternoon, Abdul Shina.
Yaza.
Hey, Adwatu.
Yago.
The best today. Na me gwa Sunday okuno. Na me say by all means which after and better. Onu me nim aya no o pe clean sheet to say dey na ya opo. Ah you see the one go na I so go delay taxes. This time around ya brio. Kun so go no pushing the yan couple goals. That yan me dey go me ya kokwa dia who ko se go ani aba me ti aseye. Another minute yes consider goal. Ti esre ko to go do fa me nti from Salawa. And was sure you feel good to open too. Because this time around you can win. And then draw we lose your car away, you about walk on your boat. Just you say, again, I'll be beatable. Last season, you will should be having nothing. Oh, if you have to say you're to win and then draw. Gabi, Mumma.
Ante, but that's a papa, but you dear baby, our Kazafi.
I would have a good afternoon.
Yes, sir.
Go and tell me the Francis, maybe I can't say one for me.
About your go.
I would have said it, Kakaka, and say, what you for now last season, the animal boy, you say, I couldn't see you. It's this season, it's never Papa, there was a bit much long. And my Ghana Premier League incident, a quantity, there's no Kaka mentioned.
Mante, Medasepa, Mapacho, Tiani baby, our Kazafi.
Pacho me free, in carrier.
Ajodi.
Because I fling carrier, me did it, Charles.
Yeah, Charles, you go.
Me Pacho. Kotokoni has born a Kotokoni born a bomb pair so Kotoko Kago Kunimaba.
Charles who of years
We feel 14.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Yeah, Koswana ya T Hawaii.
Oh, they be with you.
Mate, ti Robert T and Kenchi, T. Me say Quadano yewe ya ti. Korogo match no cra Charles here. The live commentary beba. The live commentary beba na abwana ne ma deda ye party. Me pacho ma me na me phobia wa. Pajo dia ne baby akasa. Hello.
Hello.
Pacho udia ne baby akasa fi.
Yes, from Destiny,
Destiny Eko.
I can make fantasy no code, fantasy code. That is the beginning of the come on.
Ati me rebel 2 drama why? Mama phobu am pacho udia ne baby akasa fi.
You got your friend, I think,
Pacho meet you.
and then you may get a master. But I have to put you there. Yeah, I'm on channel. As a my own I'll see you tomorrow, Ghana. Yeah, I'm on cars. Bye bye.
Mate, me da sepa ye be kan house one semedi ama me pacho udia ne baby akasa fi.
Abu Yabe.
Yes sir.
Good afternoon, boss.
Good afternoon.
Sebato, Indiana Sabrampo, Dubai.
Come on, go.
Sebato,
I'll go match no ombabo no Benin nyambo a Joda.
Okay.
Live commentary so about why?
Sebato.
Mate, me da sepa. Ati mamre na menye we. Dia na obisa fantasy code no me pacho AT1 CM2. HT1 CM2. Ati sa prepe na esi na aboama na mati fantasy code no person join ya HT1 CM2 na wabomode na de rema ma me fa de otwato na fe yeko una twato de ne baby a ukase fi.
Oh, good evening.
Good evening sir.
And now me mamoni adwuma yo nana asante me kasati atuma agogo Roma soda na konkon nana we de meta so ko company for yami aduma Sunday born enye izo pra the best from so mo fan five bon yes support the side afu mi si league no ya chi me simple the new year ni temu nana me damati
Mate yero pim nyambo ochna ya beba na ya babira Rocky. Wacho ona twato mi tio.
Afternoon.
Yes sir.
Me pacho Sompa phone.
Pacho ane Sompa phone. Meet you madam.
Me pacho ma famu number on. Ma to me pese ka me tie assembly ma mo ne de ra me ne na ka mama me direction ma me ka se fi acha man. Accra.
Okay.
Ma to asase obi wo 2011.
Ati ore nya nto wase na ofa na man ntino. Ono be kasa wechi why?
Pacho ntimi ka kinu.
Why?
Ntimi jina so.
Jina so ofa na man ono be kasa wechi.
Pacho yo.
Okay, tia yemfa sina fe na ye peje mo na fe na minima baba beto aso ere amocha aropare ye beba Friday special 7 to 7:30 era fe so no anopa na no 9:30 to 12 full time beba na ye trans enyumresi a free to 4 shootout no ye di ram de ma ye ko na minim DJ Tofia kwa eto aso etimi de ama